We have been registered with Apple since April 1990, but our user group has been active in the Kyushu area since the glory days of 1980s personal computing. Our meetings are held at the Zen Rinji Temple in Inaricho, in the city of Sasebo, Nagasaki. In the spiritual world of our temple meeting place, we discuss topics that range from the Plus and SE old-style Macs to the latest Apple technology. All of our members share a love of Apple products, regardless of whether they are old veterans or newcomers to the Apple ecosystem. So, on June 8th, 2013, located on Japan's westernmost coastline, we will hold our AUGM in the city of Sasebo. We hope to see you there.
Welcome!
Welcome to Macintosh.